Today, I'm going to show you how you can build an AI voice agent that replaces a $2,000 a month receptionist that you're going to be able to implement in your own business or sell to other businesses as a service. And I made it extremely simple for you guys to follow along. So make sure you watch the whole entire video and drop a like and subscribe. And to get started, I'm actually going to call it up on my phone right now so I can show you guys how it actually works. So I'm calling it right now.
Hello, this is Amy from Comfort Air Heating and Cooling. How can I help you today?
Hey there, Amy. I need a AC repair.
Got it. When would you like to schedule your AC repair? Please provide a preferred date and time.
Can we do 2 days from now at 10 o'clock a.m.?
Great choice. Just to confirm, can I have your full name, please?
Yeah, it's Jerry Smith.
Thank you, Jerry. Now, could you please provide your phone number?
443-926-1833.
Got it. And could you share your email address, please?
Yeah, jerrysmith@gmail.com.
Thank you, Jerry. Lastly, can you provide your address?
Yeah, it's 123 Amos Street.
Your AC repair is confirmed for 2 days from now at 10 o'clock a.m.
Now, if we go to Google Calendar and look for the 11th, which is 2 days from now at 10 o'clock a.m., we see Jerry Smith right here. And if we look down here in the details, it says the name is Jerry Smith. We need an AC repair. The email is jerrysmith@gmail.com. Here's the phone number and the address. And today I'm going to walk you guys through how to set this up, and I'm going to make it as simple as possible for you guys. So make sure you follow along. And to get started, join my group. It's the first link in the description down below. And once you're inside my group, head over to the AI voice section and then click on the download these files section. And once you're inside of there, we're going to download 3 files. First off is the AI voice agent workflow file. Basically, we're going to be implementing this inside of N8N later on. But from now, just download it. And then after you download that, you're going to want to download the opensites.bat file. Basically, it's not going to hack your computer. It's just going to open tabs on your browser. So it's super easy for you to follow along. And after that, download the Vapi knowledge base file, because basically we're going to be using Vapi AI as the AI voice agent today. And it needs a knowledge base to actually work. So download that. And after you download those 3 files, click on your download section and then press opensites.bat. And all these tabs should open up. And after they open up, first off, you're going to want to sign up for an N8N account if you don't already have one. But if you do have one, just sign in. And after you sign in, your screen should look something just like this. And in the top right of your screen, you're going to want to press create workflow right here. And we're going to create our first workflow. Now that you're inside of the workflow, in the top right, press these 3 dots and then press import from file. And you're going to want to input the AI voice agent workflow file that you literally just downloaded. It should be the .json one. And after you do that, we're just going to have to set up a few things such as the OpenAI chat model API and the Google Calendar API. So let's start off with the chat model API right here. So double click on it. And after you double click on it, click up here and press create new credentials. And then head over to the billing overview section. It's this tab right here. And by the way, you may have to create an account if you don't already have one. But after you create your account, head over to the billing section and then press add to credit balance right here. And I say add around $5 or so to your credit balance, because every few times you actually use this, you're going to spend around 1 cent. And as you guys see, it's only spent around 45 cents so far. And I've been using this for a while. So add to your credit balance. And after that, head over to the API keys tab right here. And then in the top right, press create new secret key. You can name this key whatever you want. Honestly, it doesn't matter at all. And then select your project. It could be whatever project you want, but I'm just going to do the default project. Then you're going to want to create the secret key and then copy the secret key and then go to N8N and then press Control A and then Control V to copy and paste. Well, actually to select on paste. And after you do that, press save. Then you can X that out. And now let's set up the Google Calendar API. And this is super simple. All you have to do is double click on it right here. Then click up here and press create new credentials. And then press sign in with Google. You're going to want to sign in with the account that you want to book these appointments on into your calendar. So for example, I'll do this one right here. And then there should be a button that you have to select. Just press it, then press continue. And after you do that, go down here where it says from list, and you're going to want to type in your email right here or just select it. I'm just going to do this one. And by the way, if you're making this for a client, all they're going to have to do is share their Google Calendar with you. Then it should appear right here on the screen. You're just going to have to select it. But after that, press the X and then double click on the check availability and literally do the exact same thing. So I have my API selected right here and then the from calendar list as well. And then X that out. And now it's time to actually start making the AI voice agent. But real quick, hold Control and zoom out and then go over here to the webhook one and double click on it. And then for this path right here, name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it video test. Then click on production URL, and we're going to come back to this later. Don't X out the N8N tab yet. But for now, head over to Vapi. Then sign up for an account. And once you're inside of Vapi, click on the AI assistants tab right over here and create a new assistant. This is going to be a blank template. You can name it whatever you want, but I'm just going to press create assistant now. And after you do that, head back to my group and look for the Vapi system prompt section. And to start off, you're going to want to copy this first sentence and then just paste it in right here. So that first message, and then scrolling down for the system prompt, you can just copy this whole entire system prompt right here. And if you want to change this up for your business, I recommend that you can go to ChatGPT and then literally tell what business you want it to make it for, or you could just do it manually. So just paste that in, and after you do that, press publish, and then press publish once again. And now if you head back to my group, you're going to want to click on the Vapi tool prompt section, because now we need to create tools so it actually works. So to create the tools, go over to the tools section on the left side of your screen, and then press create tool up here. And for the first first tool is actually not going to be a tool because I forgot. Real quick, you're going to want to go back here and click on the dashboard.vapi AI file section. And we're going to have to upload our knowledge base first so we can set up the tool easier next time. So we can set up the tool easier soon. But real quick, press upload file and then upload the knowledge base file. And I recommend you actually run this through ChatGPT as well to make it for your business just like you did with the prompt before. So just double click on it and the Vapi knowledge base should be imported. But now we can go to tools and then press create tool. And for the first tool, we're going to do a custom tool. And for this custom tool, it's going to be named to record action. So just copy that name and paste it in right here. And then copy this whole entire description as well. And then paste it in the description. And after you do that, scroll on down and turn this off visual to JSON. And you're going to want to copy this JSON file right here. Literally just select this all. And then press Control A to select it all. And then Control V to paste it. And then press apply. And now scroll down where it says server URL. And you're going to want to head back to end and then copy this production URL that we did earlier. And then just paste in the server URL right there. And then press save. And after you do that, we're going to have to create one more tool, which is an answer FAQ tool. So click on create tool, then click on query, and then head back to my tool prompt section in my group. Scroll all the way down until you see the query. For the tool name, it's going to be called answer FAQ. And then copy this description as well. Then paste it in right here. And for the knowledge base, you're going to want to press add knowledge base. And for the name, it's going to be knowledge base. Just paste it in right there as well. And then copy this description, copy and paste it in. Then scroll on down and select the file, which is right here. And finally press save. And we're actually almost done, guys. There's just a few more things since I made it so simple to follow along. You're going to want to go to your assistant, then click on tools, and then press select tools, and then select these two tools you just made. And after that, press publish, and then publish once again. For the final step, it is super simple. If you don't want your girl AI receptionist to sound like a boy, click on this voice thing right here, and then change the voice from Elliot all the way down to whatever girl voice you want. I guess we'll just do Emma. And after you do that, press publish, and then press publish once again. And just like that, you've successfully made an AI voice agent receptionist that you can use for your business or sell to other businesses that you can call up on your phone. And the way you call it up on your phone, go over here and click on phone numbers, and you're going to have to create a phone number. But it's super simple, guys. And if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down below what videos you want to see from me next. If you enjoyed this video, you'll enjoy this one on the screen as well. So make sure to press it, and I'll see you all later. Peace out.